correct sleeping position during pregnancy. The best sleeping positions during pregnancy. In this video today, we are going to talk about the best sleeping positions during pregnancy. Are you pregnant? Are you expecting? Are you looking at the best sleeping positions when you are pregnant? In this video, we are going to talk about this after this message. Don't leave. Thank you, my friend, for staying around. We are talking about the correct sleeping positions during pregnancy, and Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. If it's your first time here, I welcome you, my friend. Remember to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any videos we talk about, we release on this channel. Gerard Massa, the health educator. So we are talking about the correct sleeping positions during pregnancy. When you are pregnant in the early stages, what is going to happen is that the baby bump or your womb is going to be really small. You may not realize the best sleeping position. You may actually be very good at sleeping on your back. You may be very good at sleeping on your stomach. You could also be very good sleeping on your sides. But as the pregnancy progresses, as the pregnancy grows, then there are high chances that you may begin feeling uncomfortable. When you sleep on your back and you are in the second trimester, second trimester is basically 20 weeks and beyond, basically beginning from 20 weeks and beyond. That is the second trimester. So when you are in the second trimester and you are pregnant, there are high chances that you may begin feeling uncomfortable due to the fact that when you are pregnant, there's going to be increased weight on your whole body. We are talking about the blood vessels which run on your back, specifically the inferior vena cava, also known as the IVC, and then also your intestines and the rest of the structures which are located posteriorly to your back. What is going to happen when you are pregnant and the pregnancy is in the second trimester or in the third trimester? There are high chances that there's going to be increased weight on your blood vessels, more specifically the inferior vena cava, which actually transports blood from the rest of your body back to the heart. So if you are pregnant, this IVC or the inferior vena cava is a big blood vessel which runs on your back, and then it goes downwards and then divides or bifurcates, and it's actually the big blood vessel which supplies the legs. So if you are pregnant and you are sleeping on your back, there's going to be increased weight on this blood vessel. Remember, this blood vessel also goes on and then it joins the baby's umbilical cord, and then it supplies the baby with food and nutrients and oxygen and all other useful things which are going to be used by the baby. So if you are pregnant and you are sleeping on your back, there are high chances that you are going to be pressing on this blood vessel, meaning that the baby will get insufficient oxygen, the baby will get insufficient nutrients due to your sleeping on the back. So if you are pregnant and you are in the second trimester, you are in the third trimester, consider sleeping on your left lateral position. The left lateral position is basically the position whereby you sleep on your left, but you make sure that in that left side, in that left position, you basically have the whole of your body, the whole of your left side flat on the bed, and then of course your chin should be in a comfortable position whereby you can be able to breathe normally, whereby you can be able to breathe very well, as you see in this video. So if you are pregnant and you are asking yourself the correct sleeping position during pregnancy, this is the left lateral position. You could also change to the right lateral position once in a while if at all you get tired, but the best is the left lateral position. If you get tired of the left lateral position, then you can consider changing to your right lateral position. At least make sure that most of the times when you are sleeping, you sleep on the left side or on the right side. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. I welcome you. For today's video, we are talking about the correct sleeping position during pregnancy. So there are many times when you are pregnant, you will feel dizziness, you will feel like fainting, and even actually some pregnant mothers go on and faint. When you experience this, consider looking at the sleeping position you are using. You could be sleeping on your back, and as we said, whenever you sleep on your back, the IVC or the inferior vena cava, that is the big blood vessel on your back, is going to be pressed, meaning that there's going to be less supply of blood or less supply of oxygen to your brain, thereby bringing about hypertension or low blood pressure. So whenever you are pregnant and you feel like fainting, you feel lightheaded, then consider having yourself or having your blood pressure checked at your nearest health facility. You could talk to your doctor, you could talk to your midwife, who will assess and check your blood pressure. The normal blood pressure is normal. The normal blood pressure is supposed to be 100 up to 140. That is the upper reading, and then the lower reading should be 60 up to 90. So if you are pregnant, we expect your blood pressure to be at least around 100, 110, 120. If it goes beyond and it shoots up to 100 and maybe 35 up to maybe 140, that is the upper reading, also known as the systolic blood pressure. And then the lower reading, if it goes beyond 90 and you are pregnant, then you could be actually having what we call hypertension in pregnancy, also known as eclampsia or pre-eclampsia. But if you are pregnant and you feel like fainting every time, or you actually do faint and you are pregnant, still have yourself checked for blood pressure, because there are high chances that you could be having what we call low blood pressure. You can tell that you have low blood pressure when you have your blood pressure checked in the clinic and the readings come out when they are below 100/60. So if your blood pressure is below 100, that is the upper reading, over 60, which is the lower reading, then there could be high chances that you could be having hypotension. The causes of hypotension or low blood pressure are very many, but sleeping on your back could be among the leading causes. If you have low blood pressure, you feel like fainting, and you are pregnant, then consider sleeping on your left lateral position. It is the best position for you if you are pregnant. When you do these tips, and of course also consult your doctors in case you have any other questions, you'll be able to be very healthy, have a healthy pregnancy, and go on and have a healthy baby, putting in prayers. So in today's video, we have talked about the correct sleeping position during pregnancy, and besides that, we are going to talk about the aids, the sleeping aids you can use. There are sleeping aids on the market. There's one called the pregnancy pillow, which is actually around 5 to 6 feet long. It is a full pillow which you can actually use, put in between your legs to try to reduce the pressure. You could also add extra pillows on your side to help you sleep in the left lateral position. You could also, if you do not have all these pillows, you could actually use some bed sheets, and you could use actually some bed covers to try to support your back. But every habit can be learned slowly, and whenever it is a beneficial habit like sleeping on your left side, you have to begin slowly. Sometimes you may forget and go back sleeping on your back, or you could actually forget and sleep on your stomach, but try as much as possible to begin learning this new habit, which is very beneficial. When you sleep on your left side, it means that the baby will be supplied with plenty of oxygen, plenty of nutrients, and the baby will have actually enough space to actually move, to do what we call the fetal movements. So my friend, if you are to take a point, or if you are to take information from this video, take this note that the best sleeping position for you if you are pregnant, beginning from the second, third trimester and the last trimester, is on the left lateral position. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. On this channel, we talk about the ovulation calendar, we talk about the ovulation calculator. We do also answer all your questions down below in the comments. If you would like to have a private consultation, if you would like to consult me privately on my WhatsApp numbers are in the corner. You can check in the right corner. They are actually in yellow. My WhatsApp numbers are +256 701 797876, and the second WhatsApp number is +256 787 668 962. So you can talk to me, you can book a consultation with me on my WhatsApp. My consultation fee is only $10. I'll give you all the time, I'll answer all your questions and even do follow up on you. If you have any questions in regards to fertility, how you can get pregnant faster, then book to consult me on my WhatsApp numbers. The WhatsApp numbers are in the corner, and just make sure that you ask me anything. If you are not ready to consult me on my WhatsApp numbers with the $10, you can still ask your questions down below in the comments below this video. I will answer all your questions exactly as soon as you ask your questions here on YouTube. I will answer them, and then also when you connect with me on my WhatsApp, I will also answer all your questions. I will also offer all the time and of course answer all your questions. Remember to subscribe for new videos we release every day. Gerard Massa, the health educator, and in this video today we have talked about the correct sleeping position during pregnancy, and we have said the best sleeping position is the left lateral position. Have yourself a fantastic and healthy day. Tomorrow, come back for another video. We release new videos about pregnancy at exactly 17 hours East African time. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. Have yourself a fantastic and healthy day. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Thank you, my friend, for attending today's lesson. I hope you have learned something, and please, if you have any questions in regards to what we've just discussed, leave your questions in the comments. Ask me your questions. I will answer all your questions. On this channel, Gerard Massa, the health educator, I talk about women's health. Have yourself a fantastic and healthy day, and may God bless us all. Bye-bye.